Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel. And today we're going to talk about the front cabin air vents, aka the air louvers. That's where we get this nice cool air coming in, giving our faces nice and cool when we fly. And this is the time of year that we really like them, with the nice fall weather, low humidity, and good visibility. So stay tuned for some more fun with the air vents. So we would like to ask you, please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content. So as we're getting our air vents ready for shipment to customers, first thing we do is we take every vent and we play with it. We look to make sure the louvers go left and right, they go up and down, there's no missing veins, nothing sticks, and those that don't pass muster, we put aside. But we look at every one. We do keep some occasionally for parts, because you can snap these back together. They do come apart easily, and they do go back together with a little difficulty, and we found a pair of hemostats works really good for holding the vanes in place and getting them to snap into the little tabs. But every time we come in with some, we go and QA every one of them, and then the ones that pass muster go on to the next stage, which we get them ready to go out for shipping. And the ones that don't pass muster, well, we just end up throwing them in the garbage can. We've got boxes of these at the airport, so if you need parts, we probably have them. And then the ones, again, that did pass muster, they get boxed up and padded, and we're just waiting for somebody to order them. And then we have some more boxed up. The little boxes like this we use for going to Canada and Australia. The bigger boxes we use here in the domestic US. But this big box was one of many we had to order to get the air vents. And like I said, at the time we ordered the air vents, I had to write a check for a 4-digit figure to be able to buy all these air vents in the minimum order that they would sell. And like I laughed with Mark Matthews, I probably could have done a good portion of the fleet with new air vents if I was so inclined at Christmas. But anyway, here's what the box looks like. It's almost empty. We're down to the last row. We were boxing some up. And anyway, that's where we are on the air vents. So let me talk a little bit about the air vents. Now, I pulled this one out of where we are in the box. I've saved the unusual ones, and this would be the first unusual one, other than the ones that are broken, is that when it's mounted and you push it all the way down, it will rise all the way back up on its own. So I wouldn't send it to somebody. I mean, yeah, you could mount it like this and it would be blowing down, but I was thinking it'd be pretty cool blowing up on the pilot side, and you always got air in your face. Yeah. Anyway, this one won't go to the customer. Let's get back to mounting. You'll notice that in the 4 corners that we have holes. Now, Ken Blackman had a bracket that you had to pop rivet in. What we're doing now is this fits the previous hole that's already cut in the panel. Hold it in place and then mark the 4 holes that are in it, drill them, and then what you do is you can take this out back now and put it aside. And then where each of the holes are, you're going to put a sheet metal screw and a Tinnerman clip on the back side, screw into it, put a little RTV on it, pull it in at a 45-degree angle so you don't obscure the hole, put it back here, let it harden on the back side of that plastic, and then leave the screw in, and it will gel and it will be permanently affixed to the inside of your airbox. Now you can take the screws out, slide this into place, and fix it with nice 4 shiny screws in the corner. Or what some people have done is even just put RTV right back here in 2 of the corners, push it in place, hold it with blue painter's tape while the RTV cures, and when you let it go, it's not coming out. But it's a soft enough seal you could get a skin knife or a razor blade behind it and cut it if you ever had to remove it again. So that's on mounting the vents. Well, there's the full behind-the-scenes scoop on the air vents. We hope you found it all useful and informative. Thanks for watching, and have a great day flying your Grumman. You know, forget buying expensive toys for your kittens and cats. We find that just taking the aircraft spruce box and the paper on the tile floor is more than enough amusement for them for hours.